Okay, so if you weren't able to do this at home, on the right I have some vinegar. It looks like a clear, watery kind of thing, but it's definitely, you can smell a very strong vinegar, and you can taste very vinegary taste. And on the left I've got some baking soda. It's a white, very fine-grained powder. Doesn't taste very good. And if I mix them together, I get foamy fizziness. Oh, too much, overflowing, making a mess. So definitely lots of gas being produced. If I give the gas a chance to die down as it finishes its reaction. So if I were to taste this, it doesn't taste nearly as vinegary anymore. The vinegar is pretty much all gone. There's no more white powder in there. If I leave it to sit, and it doesn't smell very vinegary either, if I leave it to sit for a while, then the liquidy part will evaporate and I get left with this white chalky thing, but it's not the baking soda that I started with. So yeah, that's the reaction.